This video spot is supposed to call attention to the negative consequences of greenhouse effect, and also it aims to show what can we do about preserving our environment at a school level. The atmosphere of our wonderful planet is a crucial element of the life form on Earth, and it also gives us a protection from the effects coming from space. As a result, our natural treasures were formed and are sustained. The atmosphere's main components are nitrogen, oxygen, and in a small portion, other gases. One of them is carbon dioxide, which is particularly influential to the greenhouse effect. Due to human activities, the quantity of harmful gases is increasing year after year. Our atmosphere ensures a natural greenhouse effect, which makes it possible to have the heat balance on the Earth even. The gases let the sunshine into the atmosphere that warms the air and holds back heat, which is necessary for the Earth. Due to this, we have the climate belts and the alternation of the seasons. In case the quantity of greenhouse gases exceeds the average level, heat is easily let in, but partially trapped by these gases as it tries to leave. The process is very similar to that of a jar. If it's closed, the cork stops the airflow. Normally, the unnecessary warmth would be released to the universe, but instead, now it is kept in the atmosphere, increasing the average level of temperature. The industrial development of the 20th century lacked the environmental awareness, so the harmful greenhouse process accelerated. As a result, the size of the so-called ecological footprint is increasing. The ecological footprint is a widely accepted standardized measure of human demand on the Earth ecosystems. Further consequences of greenhouse process could later result in changes as follows: Arctic ice sheet melting, desertification, floods, and other negative effects on the flora and fauna. The human race has to do something in order to slow down this negative process. In order to achieve this, we can decrease the ecological footprint and the emission of the greenhouse effecting gases by using renewable energy sources like solar, wind, or geothermal energy. We should try to create self-sustaining buildings too. Other relevant activities are as follows: forest plantation, the replacing individual vehicles by public transport and bicycles, and last but not least, installing and operating separate waste disposal systems. The environmental friendly attitude, such as energy saving and awareness in consumption, help the natural greenhouse effect to work properly, and so the unnecessary heat could now leave to space. Only this way do we have a chance to protect our natural treasures and life on Earth. It is time to act at our homes, at our schools and workplaces. Our school tries to be a good example, as some years ago the organization joined the National Network of Ecological Friendly Schools. During normal education and extracurricular activities, the staff puts particular emphasis on environmental issues in order to create climate-friendly attitude in as many students as possible. In order to be more effective in doing so, the school management regards environmental projects as one of the top priorities. The school community collects most of waste types separately, like paper, plastic bottles, batteries, electric bulbs, metal, and other industrial wastes. As an educational tool and a real energy producer at the same time, our school has a wind turbine and the solar panel installed as an integral part of the building's energy system. We also encourage our students to come to school by bicycle. As a part of the environmental-related activities, the school management and the staff organize many extracurricular activities on this subject, like celebrating Earth Day each year and carrying out activities like tree planting and waste collecting events. We should try to make the environmental-friendly attitude part of our everyday life. Let's protect our Earth together.